going on, guys? Back out on the water today. It's been raining. I had to sit around for a few minutes, let the rain pass by, but it's still cloudy. Hopefully the fish will be biting today. It's not quite as hot as it's been being past few days, so hopefully these fish will turn on. Maybe I can get some schooling or chasing shad or something, but I'm out here on the Coosa River today. I'm gonna get out here and see if I can catch some fish. If you're new to the channel, I'm Brand. This is the Dude Fish channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. So guys, y'all come along with me and let's catch some fish. Little largemouth on the walking bait. Throwing in that real shallow water. There's a channel over there, guys, where they dug out so they get their boats in. He's laying right at the base of it. There's a fish. Little spotted bass. Got him on the Fritz side 5, guys, in the bluegill pattern. Looks like a pretty good one, guys. Oh, he's small. He hit it hard. No Smino spot. I'm on the bluegill Frittside 5. Y'all see that, guys? Mouth's full of shad. Full of shad. He's still trying to eat my crankbait. That little guy. Missed him. Hammered the thing. Got him that time. Feel like a pretty good one. He's bigger than them other ones. He hammered it. He hammered it and I missed him, guys, and then he come back and got it. And that bluegill Frittside 5. Small spot. Feels like a better one, but I don't believe it is. Be a little bigger. Spotted bass. They definitely hitting the frit side 5, guys. There's one. Spotted bass. Small spots just schooled up on that hump out there, guys. Really thought there'd be some bigger fish in there, but maybe they are, but they're not. They're not hitting. Those the small ones are hitting. Maybe I'll get one in a minute. Decent. All right, guys, that's it for today's trip. Caught quite a few bass, mostly spots. Got in a school of them. They was killing the shad, so I threw a frit side 5 and caught quite a few. Caught one on the top water on a walking bait when I first got here. It was cloudy, and didn't catch any more on top water, but caught all the rest of them on the frit side 5. Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it. Appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. Thanks to all the new subscribers for joining the channel. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. That's gonna do it, guys. We'll catch you next time.